Alright, y'all get this done and be ready to show me your daily starters for the week when I get back. I gotta go cut these in half real quick.
Alright.
It'll take but a second.
Well, good for you, Pablo.
God bless you. All your answers.
I'm gonna sneeze again, I can see it.
I know I am. Random people outside. I what?
Got one! Do you have number 2 from yesterday?
It's nice the first few times.
I'm still waiting. It's Thursday.
Thursdays.
I know, but I don't know Thursday.
It was yesterday's.